Lost your RBC credit card PIN or just want to change it for better security? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to set or change your RBC credit card PIN, ensuring your card is safe and secure. First, grab your smartphone and open the RBC Mobile App. Make sure you have the latest version installed from the App Store or Google Play for the best experience. Once you're logged in, look for the My Services or Account Services option on the main dashboard. It's usually located at the bottom or in the side menu. Tap on it. Within the My Services menu, find and tap the Manage Card option. This will take you to a dedicated section for managing your RBC credit cards. Now, you'll see a list of all your RBC credit cards. Select the specific card you want to set or change the PIN for by tapping on it. In the card details screen, you should find an option labeled Set, Change PIN or something similar. Tap on this option to proceed. You'll now be prompted to enter your new PIN. Choose a 4-digit PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious combinations like your birth date or address. Next, you'll need to confirm your new PIN by entering it again. This ensures that you haven't made any typos. Once you've confirmed your PIN, you should see a confirmation message on the screen. This indicates that your PIN has been successfully set or changed. That's it. Your RBC credit card PIN is now updated. Remember to keep your PIN safe and never share it with anyone. Always cover the keypad when entering your PIN at ATMs and point-of-sale terminals. For more tips on keeping your credit card secure, check out the resources linked in the description below. Stay safe and secure.